Hidden Arsenal 6 packs and Abyss Rising pack. I'm not really looking for anything specific. I'm just trying to see what I can get. I mean, really anything would be good. One card I'm looking for is that Daigusto Phoenix for deck I'm building. So alright, here we go. I'm just opening this one first, cause over there. Here we go. Abyss Rising. Alright, got an 8 Magician, Different Dimension, Deep Sea Trench, Stoic Prophecy, Dolce Ticket, Mermail, Abyss Turge, no hollow, Grand Dam, Gravity Blaster, Final Gesture, and XYZ Stream. Sorry for that little lag. Here we go, Abyss Hidden Arsenal 6. I got these at like $2 a piece at Target. It was kind of weird, but just get this secret rare card in there. We got Gishki Vision, not bad. Vylon Stigma, Aqua Mirror Illusion, Proxin Fusion. That's kind of weird, never heard of that one. And a Gemnite Perismora, secret rare, not bad. Alright, second pack. Alright, got a Vylon Stagnant, Vylon Stigma, Forbidden Arts of Thingishki, Vylon Prism, and another Gemnite Perismora. I'm sorry if I don't pronounce this right. So I got two now. Well, I just pulled two. Well, yeah, I got a Mermail Abyss Surge, whatever that is, and a Vylon Prism. This one's I was kind of hoping to pull this one, but it's nice, super rare, not bad. This double, 2 random packs, nice. Well, that's all. I don't really have anything else to say, but any of these cards, they will be up for trade or for sale. Just leave a comment below.